Alright, I've got a Kwikset Generation 1. It's fancy housing. But it is a Generation 1. I did not know that. Did not got it before I went and made this tool. A little flat tool for to bypass to press the sidebar on a Gen 3, Gen 2. But it is what it is. We'll get one video, and then I'll have the tool ready. No big deal. So this is a super sloppy lock. I mean, this thing moves all over the place. I've gotten it open already. I do move it around just enough to. I mean, I guess you'd say it's flow picking, but it's doesn't really need it. Just makes it a little easier. It's a fun one. I was looking forward to utilizing that tool, and then I got the lock just to kind of get some pictures, take a look at it. But man, a lot of time wasted on the tool. Alright, so I have this 1, 2 is good. 3 is fighting me a bit, so 5 is happy. 4. Just with the way this lock is, I found going, just walking it back and forth. There's enough room in here to drop a pin again. I recognize they're not pins, but it's well, I guess they are. I don't know the technical name for them, but with the way that this lock is adjustable, it's a very neat little tooth mechanism in there. Get a better look at it once it's gutted. I think I have overset pin 2. And if you do overset, I mean, it's not difficult in terms of like oversetting them. But you got the one click back. You just want to turn it back just enough to get a single click. There we go. This bad boy's open. Gonna give it a little bit of wiggle just to watch how well the camera's picking it up. Okay. Gotta toss the key back in there and. I had gotten it open once before, and then the key was changed. So I'm going to make sure that doesn't happen again. Here's the smart key that comes with these guys. I mean, any flat pick will do the job. Anything I can get in there, you just gotta push it back, and it allows this key to slide back in. Make sure I don't lose that fitting. Very nice. Okay, let's get it gutted. So, gotta get out of this fancy housing. This tiny little pin here, or sorry, clip. Very thin little clip. Like, it's just a different tool for that. That is a 22 thousandths Jimmy Long from the last drop. There's no problem withstanding that, but I'm not gonna do that. So it's a pretty loose little keeper on here, and taking it off with the Sparrows tool like I normally would, I find it bends pretty easy, so I'm just going to avoid that. It's much nicer to pull apart the key. You can do it without the key, but it's you'll see this little teeth here sticking up. These are the things that adjust. These guys. So they're sitting in these little grooves. Makes it a lot harder. You can push them down, get this thing separated, but it's just the key makes it very nice. Very easy. And here's the sidebar. Shows that the guy is in there. Gosh. This is the triangle sidebar. Like I said, it's a Gen 1. Not the flat one that you would bypass. I did make that tool for the Gen 3. Not realizing this was a 1. This was an M1, Peterson M1. Like, funny little rig thing. Never going to use it. It started off as 15 thousandths. It's been filed down to about 9.5 at the tip, 10 further down the shaft. These guys is left over, stuck in the grease. These things are pretty awesome. This is it's a cool get it there. Cool technology. It's a fun pick. Recommend it. Fat fingers don't enjoy that. Alright, so here's the pins interacting with the key. Let's see if I can zoom in a little better. That's much better. See what little edgy edges of the teeth there. Catches on these screw gates. Just a cool lock. Nope, thanks for watching and listening to my ramblings, but get this back together and get that submission in. Thanks. Bye.